nga ate tumaze okunywa kulondora amazzi kajiiso kamaze okawa dadi kambasabe ate tubeere nga muneyungako mu ssaawa yaffe ey'okubiri. Akadde kakyali ka Emikolo Nambaga kakati ndese embaga ya Jeno BALIDDAWA n'omwagalwawe Mrs. BALIDDAWA. Bano nno munange nga babagattira wali ddala we tujjukira abajulizi baffe ku Uganda Matters Line e Namugongo bwe babagattirawo wennyini. Ogenda kulaba emikolo gy'okugatta gyonna n'oluvannyuma olaba omwana yakijanjawaza Mrs. BALIDDAWA nga ganze bebi olw'okubeera nga onkuumye emyaka gino gyonna ngenda kwevugira mu convertible. Byonna byonna nsaba obeere nga otuula ku Bukedde TV mu ssaawa eno ey'okubiri ate nayo tubirabe.
Bano nno nga bagattibwa ku Namugongo Matters Line era nga munnange awo wennyini owabeera abajulizi oba wetulamagira bwe bagenda mu maaso n'okubeera nga bakuba ebirayiro byabwe era nga bwe beefunira empeta zaabwe sako n'obufumbo obutukuvu.
Jesus Christ, and the love of God, and the communion of the Holy Spirit be with you all. Dear brothers and sisters, today we gather here a special place to celebrate the wedding of our brother and sister, Lucy and Mathias. It is a great moment and a joyful moment for them and to us all who are witnesses. So let us pray for them, that the mighty God helps them to become successful in their marriage.
us pray. O God, who sees the beginning of the world, our bless the increase of offspring. Show favor to you, to our supplications, and pour forth the herb of your blessing on these servants, Mathias and Lucy, so that the union of marriage they may be bound together in mutual affection, in likeness of mind, and in shared holiness. Through our Lord Jesus Christ, your Son, who lives and reigns with you in the unity of the Holy Spirit, one God, forever and ever.
If I speak in the tongues of men and of angels, but I have not love, I am a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. And if I have prophetic powers, and I understand all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have all faith, so as to remove mountains, but I have no love, I am nothing. This is the word of God.
Gospel according to Matthew. At that time, a lawyer asked Jesus a question to test him. Teacher, which is the great commandment in the law? And he said to him, you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the great and first commandment. And the second is like, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. On these two commandments depend all the law and the prophets. The gospel of the Lord. Where we are standing, or where we are sitting, it is a holy place of Matador. The Uganda martyrs offer their lives for the better, for the most precious good, and that is God. Even in marriage, you have to offer something. That's why they say, where there is true love, there is sacrifice. And that sacrifice, in most cases, it is painful sacrifice. And after offering yourself, and after suffering for something, then you become victor or victorious. That's why another side they are putting on weight. And for us to become successful again, we need another person. And that is a supernatural being. That is God. Each one of us needs God in life. That's why we need to put ourselves into the hands of God.
Let your living water flow over my soul.
Brothers and sisters, let's stand up to invoke the power of the Holy Spirit.